Okay, I didn't know Yagi. So I made another wheel. This wheel is really a creation that I pulled together years ago. And I decided maybe I'll use it today or this year, I mean. But if it doesn't really catch on with you, let me know, because I want it to catch on with you. Rather than using boxes, I decided that it'd be nice to use the wheel or based on the four directions idea. So if you were to look at this as the four direction, straight up would be the east, to this right side would be to the south, and then way at the bottom would be the west area. Okay, so this at this time we're going to look at this. We're going to look at this as lesson or 2017. Yeah, 2017. And I thought we'd go together with Navajo 1 and 2 because they're somewhat similar to yours, but then at the same time we add a few ideas, little different ideas as we go along. Okay, so this is a verb wheel for lesson 5. And as you remember, lesson 5 had to do with to eat. Yishang. Okay, that was the main thing, Yishang. That's one person is Yishang. Today we'll learn that how to make this present tense verb, and it's right here. And I added nadam because we used nadam before. Nadam is corn, okay? Corn, nadam. Okay, so let's look at this. So here, how do I get in there? Okay, so and let me go up as far as view is concerned. Let's go to 200. And oh yeah, maybe that's it. Maybe that's not. Okay, let's do that. All right. So here it is. Yishang. There it is. I. Okay. When you were down here, it was me. Okay. Blue is you, and then light blue is ne. You. Dark blue is I, or sh. Light blue is you, or ne. Green is that's the person, third person. Third person, when I say third person, I'm talking about there's me, there's you, and then someone else. So someone else is the third person. It could be a she, he, or it. So in Navajo, we don't say she, he, it, okay? But in Navajo, we just have one word for it, be, okay? And we have that polite form. We have that little polite form. Okay, so now it's, so if I was going to say she, there it is right there, she, me, okay, I. So that relates to this me down here. Okay, so if I was going to say I eat, yishang, yishang, yishang. So it's almost a repetitive of sh, yishang, yishang. Okay, what is it that I'm eating? Na da, na da. Okay, na, nasal sound because of the N. Da, because of the nasal, we put it in the nasal because there's no N, so we say, hey, we need to say it through the nose, so we say the hook on the bottom. Da, and then if it's emphasized or high tone, it's da, and there's a stop to it. So now da, yishang. Okay, so that's what the whole thing is right here. Da, yishang. Going to the light blue, you, we say na da niya. Okay, na da niya. If we go to the this little part right here, green, talking about somebody else, we say na da yiya. So maybe Sally, na da yiya. So down here, you don't say your name, you just say na da isha. You don't say Clayton na da isha. Well, you could say that to somebody else that's named Clayton, okay, but you don't. You just say na da isha. But when you're right next to me, I don't say Bob na da niya. unless I was getting your attention or something. But normally I don't say Bob. I just say Nadantnia. Okay. And third person, they're not around, so we say Sally. He's way down the street. He said, Sally, Nadantnia. Yeah. So this is what I call present tense. Polite form, Nadantnia. Gia. Okay. Present tense. What does that mean? It's occurring. All these verbs are occurring right now. It's being done right now. The action is going on right now. Yisha means right now I'm eating. Niya means you're eating right now. Yiya means Sally's eating right now. And then Jiya is he or she's eating in a polite way right now. Okay. So let's say very simply, how do you make this into past tense? What do you do? But you want to keep saying Yisha. Okay, because you learn Yisha as a present tense verb. So the easiest way to put past tense is you take a present tense verb and you add a little bit at the end, and then you put is one way of saying it, is another way of saying it. So you can nasalize the e's if you want, or just not do it. Just say okay. So if I was going to say I ate, like I've already done it. Nada ishand, I used to eat. Nada ishand, you used to eat. Nada niyand, or you were eating at some point in the past. Or that person with Sally. Nada iyand, Sally nada iyand. Or nada jiyand, okay. So that's the easiest way. You just take the present tense. You take all these guys right here. Yisha, Niya, Yiya, and Jiya. And you just add the word and to it. So the first one again is Nada Yisha. He's right there. But then you add a little A. Nada Yishant and Nada Niyand and Nada Yiyand for somebody else. We're just talking about somebody. And Nada Jiyand and okay. So we know the present tense, we know the past tense. Now, what is there another little trick, I guess, or a little way of keep the Yisha, but add one more little goodie called Doles. Okay, Doles makes it future tense. So number one, if I was going to say I will eat, then it's Doles. So you say Nada Isha Doles. And if I was talking to you, you'd say Nada Niya Doles. Nada Niya Doles. And then if it's somebody that we're talking about, it'd be Nada Yiya Doles. So if we're talking about Sally, we say Sally Nada Yiya Doles. And or somebody in polite form, Nada Jiya Doles. Okay. So that's all what I call A, which is one person, all the way down. Okay. One person in the past, one person in the future, one person in the present. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try another one where we're kind of talking about two people. And let's say same verb, but we want to put it two people, two of us. So it'll be us two, you two, you three, or they two, they two. And then the polite form. Okay, let's go back a little bit on this. Right here. No, don't do that. Insert range view. Okay, view, we're going to view it down a little bit. Okay, so right there. So right here, we're going to go down here. Oops. Already done that. Okay, view back down. A little bit forward. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so now we get into the two of us. Okay, let's go to the middle one. Yi dang, us two. Yi dang, na dang, yi dang. And you two would be na dang, wo sang. And the next one is na dang, yi yang. So the yi yang stays the same. And the ji yang stays the same. So the ones that change is us two and you two. Okay. And for the future, we say na da yi dan and, or you two na da or san and, or those two, those people over there, na da, the two of them over there, na da yi yan and polite form na da ji yan and. Okay, so future tense. Take that same verb. Na da yi dan de, us two. Na da yi dan, ya da yi dan do les. Future tense, do les. And then na da was san do les. Okay, two of you. And Sally and Fran will be Sally do, because na da yi ya do les. Two of them. And then two of those na da ji ya do les. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if we can move this a certain direction. Might not, can't do it. Okay, let's go. No, can't do that either. All right, so let's go down. Okay, so go here and here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right there. All right, so anyway, this is now 3 or more people. If it's three or more of us, it would be de dang. De dang. So what do we eat? Na da de dang. Present tense. This is present tense. De dang. Or you, 3 or more. Na da dao sang. Okay, and those 3 people or more people. Na da de yang. And then polite form, na da da ji yang. Okay, let's do the past tense here. We ate, okay. Na da de dan, we used to eat that. Na da de dan. So it's past tense. Na da dao san, that'll be past tense again. And for you, 3 or more. And the next one is they, 3 or more. Na da de yan, and last one, na da da ji yan. Okay, those are all past tense. If I want to make it future tense, then we have na da de dan, we will be. Na da de dan do les, we will be eating. Na da de dan do les, ado. Next one is na da dao san do les, you 3 or more. Na da dao san do les. And somebody we're just talking about people that are out there. Na da de ya do les. And polite form, na da da ji ya do les. All right, so we got that. That's the way this verb is. So you learn, think in terms of these are all one verb, but you can use it in all these different ways. So this is the kind of like the ultimate way of conjugating the verb. But we're just using a few of them present tense. And we're just adding and or less to make it easy way of putting it into past and future tense. Question, we'll see you in class.